Hello friends, good evening. Now we are going to explain about composite service form, that is correction form, which is attached here. Kindly see this, see the form. Now we have to correct the name as Bhaskar K or K Bhaskar as in Aadhaar. As you want your PAN card as Bhaskar K. What should we do? We have to get the form composite service form, that is correction form. As per Aadhaar, applicant is on Aadhaar is Bhaskar K or K Bhaskar, maybe prefix or suffix the initial. If you want take PAN card name with initial, you can apply through form composite form. Complete the form as you learn. Write your name in the first row, mention as last name, public surname. Bhaskar K. What are the documents to be attached in support of the application? That is passport copy or voter ID or driving license in addition to the Aadhaar copy. Take a Xerox copy, sign crossover all the Xerox copy should be attested by yourself. If the name, date of birth and address are same in any one of them will be sufficient to support the application for issue of PAN card. Hence, check carefully the document which you are going to attach with the form. Once submitted, get the acknowledgement receipt on the day or on the next day to keep on your record for reference till you receive your card. Time schedule for issue of PAN card. Actually, it is 20 working days. Nowadays, the schedule is going fast by UTI-TSL. E-PAN is electronic PAN is being issued by 7 to 10 days on your email ID. Therefore, you may like to check your email ID for issue of E-PAN. If it is issued, you put your date of birth without bar to open the E-PAN. Why? Because it is password protected by your date of birth. 15 to 20 days, the physical PAN card is also dispatched to your Aadhaar address. Therefore, your address must be very carefully right where you are residing so that it cannot be missed. Please remember, it is your responsibility to keep ask your postman frequently every 10 days and you should collect it without missing. Otherwise, you have to reapply or support reasons with your handwritten application duly remarked by your post office, showing the reason by which it has been returned to the originator, that is UTTSL at Mumbai. Once the missing card, if it is not undelivered, the PAN card is returned to Mumbai office. It can be retrieved or you can be get the card back by such action taken by the branch office. Next, we are going to uh, continue the business with WhatsApp. Why? Because in the pandemic season, we have to consider to take up the business by WhatsApp. Therefore, online with both e-pen and physical card. One, secondly, on online with the e-KYC by Aadhaar without photo and signature as per Aadhaar data by getting digital signature of Aadhaar. It does not need any other document to upload any physical person and you don't come to my office. Easy to apply by online process. For urgent people, we can get instant PAN card at lowest cost, at free of cost from the income tax department site. Uh, you can also get it from any browsing center at free of cost, or as per they may charge such service charges. We we can get Aadhaar in WhatsApp. We can get two passport size photos and signature from the WhatsApp. We can get resize the photo and signature. Thereafter, we can get applied online. We can make two photos printed on our printer and resize the signature. Thereafter, we may apply through online. Another way is also available. After getting inquiry, we can send them printed form for getting cross signature and two more signatures as required along with the required documents as we advised. Once we satisfied with your reply, we can apply manually and we can send prompt receipt to you to meet our customer satisfaction and features. Cost of PAN card may be changed as per requirement. Here, that is not required for you. Sorry. Uh, we will add such links in the next classes. Hello dear, we came across today one person came to my office that he received one new PAN card, complaining that it is not required for duplicate card of new card. He has already has a card. He already received a PAN card and using it. Now he wants to return the new PAN card. It has occurred due to lack of knowledge as well as the misuse of PAN form. He should have used composite service form, whereas he has used 49A, the individual PAN form. That's why it occurred and he received new PAN card, which is incorrect. And we have suggested him that to return the PAN card to the income tax office and get the acknowledgement for returning the PAN card. Otherwise, he will be in worry about replying that he has not paid any taxes later. That's why kindly careful about using the PAN form. 49A is individual PAN card. For correction, make the use of composite service form. That is correction form. Therefore, okay. Next, you please be kindly care about writing address. Whatever address in the Aadhaar card will be issued. If it is changed, if you want to change to receive the PAN card in new address, you have to attach gas bill with receipt or bank passbook of the front page or latest passport copy wherein address copy and the front page should have been attached with the PAN form for getting PAN card to the new address. It's also second thing too, you have to write the email ID very correctly, including dot, number, alphabets at gmail.com. Why? Because if it is anything in missing of any letters or points, will be e-pen will not be. You cannot find the e-pen. Therefore, write your correct email ID. Check before submitting the PAN form to the office. Next, writing names applicant name. If it is within 25 letters, you can write in the first row, that is last name or surname. You can write, if example, name is Krishnamurthy Raman. Krishnamurthy is 14 letter, Raman is 5 letter, total 19 letters. Therefore, you can write the first row, that means last name or surname, Krishnamurthy Raman. If it is more than 25 letters, one or two letters, you can add it, giving columns, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, add it as per Aadhaar. Put the letters. Nowadays, UTT is also issuing the PAN card with the full name as per Aadhaar letter. They are doing very well nowadays. We have to, UTT is working very hard today, issuing PAN card within 20 days. In the composite correction form, you have to put your in the but top of the PAN card composite form, your PAN card must be write very clearly. Then you have to put the cross signature on the left side top corner and one is right corner. Signature must be very clear in black ink. Don't put the cross signature on the face. Kindly uh, make a good signature on the photo. Now today I want to inform you that your address must be right every letter in the each box to make it the address very clear. Thank you very much. Next, we have to take a class of UDAI, wherein Aadhaar is being issued how Aadhaar is issued to every individual of India. You can make use of it to verify your mobile number, email ID, status of Aadhaar, and also you can make correction in Aadhaar by way of filling the correct form issued in the UDAI site or in the uh, places where authorized to take issue Aadhaar by getting biometric and demographic data. If we want any changes to be made in PAN data, you kindly check it out and take the work with Aadhaar Center to make all correction in one stretch. Secondly, every 5 years, all persons should have uh, renew the photo thumb impression as well as any changes in the body structure or iris as well as body fingers. Any biometric damages will also be informed and take the biometric changes in the UDAI center. Okay, okay, thank you very much.